What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Right now, I'm not really doing nothing. I have to go to work today. It is Sunday. I have to go to work. I have to be there at 11 o'clock. But I'm really just coming, telling y'all how I've been feeling through this week with this fasting. This week, well, the week that just passed, I really have done good. But I'm gonna be honest, right now it's getting to the point, like at the end, it's like the end of the week, starting a new week, this second week, it's like, it's starting to get a little hard. And it's just because, like, my stomach hurt. Like, I'm hungry. Like, I feel myself, like, when I be hungry, so it's like, I just hate it because I be tempted to eat, but it's like, I don't. So all I do, I just drink some water. But it just be so annoying, like, when my stomach be hurting. Like, you know how your stomach hurt when you hungry. That's how it should feel. But, so it's like, it's getting to the part where I just have to be strong in the mind now. And just, like, do something else to not think about it. Drink some water. Because that's what you're supposed to do. Like, when you start feeling hungry, you just drink water. Just drink water, drink water. And it'll help. It'll go away. But it ain't nothing just like having a piece of food in your mouth. You know what I'm saying? But it's getting hard. And I know I just got to keep going and keep going. Like, I'm going to make it through this week. And it'll ease up. Like, my body got to get used to doing this. Because it's just not used to doing it. But it's going to be all right. I'm sticking to it. And I'm going to do it. But, yeah, this morning I just woke up at, like, 7:30. I got in the shower. I got my son. He's ready. He gone to church with my grandparents. So now I'm finna change clothes because I had to throw something on to go get him ready in the car so he could go. So now I'm finna change clothes and get myself together. I still have to show y'all that video of like the app. And I'll probably do that in this video. I don't know. But this video ain't gonna be long. It's gonna be real quick. I was just a little quick update on how I'm feeling and what's going on with my body. Like, my stomach hurt real bad right now. Like, I just need to. That's why I started recording. Like, literally, like, when my stomach started hurting like that, like, I literally have to hurry up and do something else just to get my mind off of it. So I just picked up the camera and picked up my phone and started recording so I could post something for y'all. And yeah, I'm gonna keep on going with this. Oh yeah, that's what I was gonna say. I'm going to weigh myself every 2 weeks. I'm not gonna weigh myself every week because it's like, because when you start weighing yourself and you see it, it's like, like, sometimes I be scared to get on because I don't want to get discouraged or nothing. So it's like, I'm gonna wait 2 weeks and then weigh myself every 2 weeks instead of like every week or something. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. So yeah, I'm probably gonna just go ahead and put that clip of the app in this video so y'all can just see what I'm talking about. Okay, so this is the app, Body Fast. So when you open the app, obviously this is Sunday, so I finished my week out. And it's basically just asking me, how hard or easy did you find this week going through the fasting period? And how did I like the fasting plan that I did? So with the how hard or easy part, I said that I moved it up a little bit and it kind of got difficult because my stomach was hurting, like I said. And then it asked me how did I like this fasting plan. And the fasting plan I was on was a 16 and 8. You eat for 8, you fast for 16. So then after that, it's going to come in, it'll ask you what your new weight is and notes of like, just if you want to write extra notes of like how your week was. So now on this screen, it's telling me like how many weeks I done fasted and blah, blah, all that. So now it's like, this is the screen where you can pick like which fasting plan you want to do. Like I said, I was on the first one in the top left corner, the 16 and 8, where I skip breakfast. Everything in the green is free. Like, you can use that for free. If you see anything in orange, that's where you have to pay like a monthly thing to use that. You get a coach. That's what they say is coach. So that's basically all this screen is just showing you everything, like different plans you can pick from. This is the one I'm on. See, it tells you right here, like in the green is when you fast, in the white is when you can eat. So basically, I'm eating from 12 to 8. That's what I'm on. And I'm about to start a new week right now. So you're going to see me hit start week. I'm just showing you how it looks. Okay, so I start my week, and now it's telling me that I only have 22 minutes left to eat. So I started this at about 7:40ish last night, and that's just this screen. So yes, I have 20 minutes left to eat. Then I'm going to go over to this screen where you can keep up with your progress. Yes, my weight is 325. Don't judge. But every week, this is where you can keep track of your weight. You would change it on this screen that's going to come up. It'll allow you to change your weight every week to whatever you weigh. And it'll just constantly keep on going and going. So, like I said, I didn't check my weight. So, yeah, it's just showing everything else. Like your water intake. I haven't even kept track of that for real. Like, I haven't put it in there. But I'm going to start putting it in there because I'll be drinking a lot of water. And you can set your goal of how much water you want to drink, and it'll keep track of like if you're meeting your goals and all that type of stuff. It tells your BMI and just the overall fasting period, like how many hours you have fasted in all. You can put your waist and your hip sizes if you want to, and all of that. So then this is like where you get little rewards, trophies and stuff for fasting for a certain amount of weeks, and you just get different little perks and different little stuff and all that. Then it's going to go over to your plan. Your plan history. So this is like all the weeks that I fasted. We only really worrying about the one at the top because that's the week that just passed. The other ones is previous ones when I tried before I made this video. So yeah, and those I aborted the mission. That means I just stopped doing it. I quit the week because I messed up. So yeah. So I'll go back over here. And then this is like where you can, if you want to coach, the fasting coach, this is where you can apply and get everything you want. Like you can have your options of what you want to pay a month or whatever. So yeah, that's pretty much all of that. And it also has recipes on here that will help you eat. If you want to eat healthier, it gives you different recipes like breakfast, main dishes, soups, desserts, snacks, anything else you want to eat. It just gives you different recipes and stuff like that. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. So if you guys enjoyed this, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.